point, then much better.
Excellent rally. But there's Valdez again with the kill. What an exchange. Morado to Valdez. Valdez, bang!
Finally, Alyssa Valdez gets the point here for UP.
Mabibilang mo lang sa kamay mo talaga. Isang kamay. Mga pagkakamali nito ni Alyssa. Buitre with a drop there. Here comes Valdez. Watch out! Estraniero. Hindi na nakalapit doon sa bola. Ang pilit.
The ABS-CBN Sports and Action YouTube channel. Subscribe now. One big fight!